I am the dog freak. I am the dog freak. Dog freak. Dog freak. Wow.
I know dog freak since a long time ago. Well, and his brother. So that means I've seen his try and attempts to make all his tricks, which sometimes can be very tricky and complicated and dangerous sometimes. Well, you will have to be aware of what you're watching, because what you see is what you get.
Okay guys, so now I'm gonna try the levitation trick. This trick is very difficult, and I've been planning it for a long time. I just wanna ask you, do I know you or do you know me from any other time? No! Okay, well, so be prepared. Up here, guys, I'm up here. Oh, hey, here. Okay, guys, so beware of the levitation. I'm gonna try it in just a few minutes. We'll be right back.
Ay, café todavía. The last time he tried this trick, it was almost very complicated. He almost fainted. It was a mess. I hope this time he finally gets it right.
Okay, remember, what you see is what you get. Watch. One more time, guys.
Dog freak. I am the dog freak. Dog freak. Dog freak. Wow.